Poland, a country rich in history and full of charm, welcomes you to explore its treasures. This land, nestled in the heart of Europe, is a mosaic of vibrant cities, picturesque landscapes, and a culture that has been shaped by centuries of fascinating history. Whether you're an avid history buff, a nature enthusiast, or someone who loves to immerse themselves in local culture, Poland has something to offer everyone. From the grand old city of Krakow with its medieval architecture and bustling market squares to the resilient city of Warsaw, which has risen from the ashes of war to become a modern metropolis, and the charming seaside city of Gdansk, known for its maritime heritage and stunning waterfront, Poland offers an exciting trip through time. Each city tells its own unique story, inviting you to delve into its past and discover the events that have shaped its present. The blend of old and new is evident everywhere, creating a dynamic and captivating atmosphere. Imagine walking on cobblestone streets where kings and queens once walked, where every stone has a story to tell. These streets have witnessed centuries of history, from grand parades to everyday life, and now they welcome you to be a part of their ongoing story. Lively market squares full of people where the air is filled with the sounds of chatter, laughter, and the vibrant energy of daily life. These squares are the heart of Polish cities where locals and visitors alike come together to shop, dine, and enjoy the lively atmosphere, and tall castles with stories from the past. These magnificent structures stand as testaments to Poland's rich history, each one with its own tales of knights, battles, and royal intrigue. Exploring these castles is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once called them home. This is Poland, a country that perfectly mixes its rich history with a vibrant present. Modernity and tradition coexist harmoniously here, creating a unique and captivating experience for all who visit. The juxtaposition of historic landmarks with contemporary architecture and bustling city life is truly remarkable. Poland's charm isn't just in its famous landmarks, it's also in the everyday moments that make life here so special. The warmth and hospitality of the Polish people, the simple pleasures of daily life, and the sense of community that pervades every corner of the country. It's also in the friendly people and the simple joys it offers. Whether it's a friendly chat with a local, a leisurely stroll through a park, or enjoying a traditional meal, these moments create lasting memories and a deep connection to this beautiful country. Imagine walking through charming old towns, where every corner reveals a new discovery. The architecture, the history, and the vibrant street life all come together to create an unforgettable experience. Smelling fresh bread from local bakeries, where the aroma of freshly baked goods fills the air. These bakeries are a staple of Polish life, offering delicious treats that are sure to delight your senses. Imagine drinking delicious coffee in a busy market square, surrounded by the sights and sounds of daily life. The cafes here are perfect spots to relax, people watch, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Hearing people laugh and talk, the sound of street musicians playing, and the general buzz of activity. These moments capture the essence of Polish life, full of joy and community spirit. This is the heart of Poland, a country that invites you to relax, enjoy the moment, and make memories that last. Whether you're exploring its historic sites, enjoying its natural beauty, or simply taking in the local culture, Poland offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. Our trip begins in Krakow, the old royal capital, a city that feels timeless and elegant. Nestled on the banks of the Wieliczka River, Krakow is a city where history and modernity blend seamlessly. From its medieval core to its vibrant cultural scene, Krakow offers a unique journey through time. Step back in time as you enter Krakow's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Old Town is a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, charming squares, and historical landmarks. It's a place where every corner reveals a piece of the past, inviting you to explore and discover. Here, every stone and every building has a story to tell. The architecture is a testament to the city's rich history, with Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque influences visible at every turn. As you wander through the streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. Wawel Castle, a majestic building that was home to Polish royalty for centuries, stands tall. Perched on Wawel Hill, the castle is a symbol of Poland's national pride and cultural heritage. Its walls have witnessed coronations, royal weddings, and historic events that shaped the nation. Explore its beautiful rooms, admire the detailed tapestries, and learn about the kings and queens who lived there. The castle's interiors are a treasure trove of art and history, with each room offering a glimpse into the opulent lives of the Polish monarchy. Walk down Wawel Hill and you'll find yourself in Krakow's main market square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe. The square is the heart of the city, bustling with life and activity. It's a place where locals and tourists alike gather to experience the vibrant atmosphere. Feel the city's energy as you walk among the colorful stalls of the Cloth Hall, a busy marketplace from the 1300s. The Cloth Hall is a hub of commerce and culture, where you can find everything from traditional crafts to modern souvenirs. It's a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the essence of Krakow. Listen to the trumpet player from St. Mary's Basilica, a beautiful Gothic church that has watched over the city for centuries. The Basilica's iconic trumpet call, played every hour, is a reminder of Krakow's enduring traditions and the resilience of its people. As the sun sets, find a cozy restaurant in one of the square's charming cellars and enjoy traditional Polish food, like pierogi, kielbasa, and other delicious treats. The culinary delights of Krakow are a perfect way to end your day, offering a taste of the city's rich cultural heritage and warm hospitality. Our trip continues north to Warsaw, the exciting capital of Poland. Warsaw is a city that has come back to life after tough times. Almost completely destroyed during World War II, Warsaw has been carefully rebuilt. Its historic landmarks have been beautifully restored. Start your exploration at the Royal Castle, a symbol of Poland and a reminder of the city's strength. Walk through its grand halls, admire the rebuilt rooms, and learn about the kings and queens who shaped Poland's history. You must visit the Warsaw Uprising Museum. Here you'll learn about the brave Polish people during the Warsaw Uprising through interactive exhibits and personal stories. As you walk through the museum, hear the stories of bravery and strength, a reminder of the sacrifices of war. Our last stop is Gdansk, a city rich in seafaring history and known for its beautiful buildings. Located on the Baltic coast, Gdansk has always been an important port city. Walk through the city's old town, a mix of architectural styles that shows Gdansk's rich past. Admire the colorful buildings of the Long Market, lined with fancy guild halls and merchants' houses. Walk along the Motlawa River and see the historic cranes and warehouses, reminders of Gdansk's connection to the sea. Don't miss St. Mary's Church, one of the largest brick churches in the world. Climb the tower for amazing views of the city and the Baltic Sea. Beyond the famous landmarks, each city has hidden treasures waiting to be found. These are the places that often go unnoticed by the casual tourist, but hold immense cultural and historical significance. They offer a glimpse into the soul of the city, revealing stories and experiences that are both unique and unforgettable. In Krakow, explore the Jewish quarter of Kazimierz. This district is a living museum, where every corner tells a tale of resilience and revival. The cobblestone streets and historical buildings whisper the stories of the past, while the vibrant present breathes new life into the area. Here, synagogues tell stories of a rich culture and trendy cafes are full of life. The nightlife in Kazimierz is equally captivating, with a mix of traditional and modern influences creating a unique atmosphere. Whether you're visiting a historic synagogue or enjoying a coffee at a local cafe, Kazimierz offers a blend of the old and the new. In Warsaw, relax in the peaceful Łazienki Park, a green escape in the middle of the city, where you might hear a Chopin concert in the summer. This park is not just a place to unwind, but also a cultural hub, hosting various events and activities throughout the year. The serene environment, combined with the occasional musical performance, makes it a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. In Gdansk, visit the Amber Museum, showcasing the gold of the Baltic in all its beautiful forms and colors. The museum offers a fascinating journey through the history and significance of amber, from ancient times to the present day. Each exhibit tells a story, revealing the natural beauty and cultural importance of this precious material. These hidden treasures show you the true spirit of each city, a side of Poland that many tourists miss. They are the heartbeats of the cities, offering authentic experiences that go beyond the typical tourist attractions. From quaint neighborhoods to lesser-known historical sites, these places provide a deeper understanding of Poland's rich heritage. Ask locals about their favorite places, wander down small streets, and let your curiosity guide you. The locals are often the best guides, offering insights and recommendations that you won't find in any guidebook. Their stories and tips can lead you to hidden gems that make your journey even more memorable. You might find a hidden cafe, a charming antique shop, or a local artist's studio, each adding something special to your Polish adventure. These discoveries are what make travel truly enriching, allowing you to connect with the local culture in a meaningful way. So, take the road less traveled, and uncover the hidden treasures that Poland has to offer. Poland is happy to welcome travelers, but a little planning will make your trip easier and more fun. Comfortable walking shoes are important because you'll be walking a lot. Pack a light backpack for water, snacks, and souvenirs. Poland has all 4 seasons, so pack the right clothes. Layers are a good idea, especially in spring and fall. Don't forget a raincoat or umbrella because it might rain. A small phrase book can be helpful, especially if you go exploring off the main roads. Most importantly, bring your curiosity and a sense of adventure, and Poland will give you an unforgettable experience. You must try the delicious food in Poland. Polish food is hearty, tasty, and full of tradition. From pierogi dumplings to kielbasa sausage, each dish tells a story of Polish culture. Try bigos, a hunter's stew with sauerkraut, meat, and dried mushrooms. Enjoy plaki ziemniaczane, potato pancakes with sour cream and applesauce. And don't forget Polish pastries like paczki, jelly donuts, and sernik cheesecake, perfect for a sweet treat. As you travel through Poland's cities and towns, you'll hear stories and legends everywhere. Listen to the story of the Wawel dragon, a scary beast that lived in Krakow long ago. Hear the legend of the Warsaw mermaid, a symbol of the city and its protector. Ask locals to tell you their favorite stories. You might hear about the golden duck of Gdansk, which grants wishes, or the story of the Pied Piper of Hamelin, who, some say, took the children of Hamelin to Poland. These stories add a touch of magic to your Polish adventure, connecting you to the heart of the country and its people. Poland invites you to come visit, discover its hidden treasures, and make your own story. Whether you love history, beautiful buildings, or friendly people, Poland offers a journey you won't forget. So pack your bags, put on your walking shoes, and get ready to experience the magic of Poland. Don't just dream of exploring these exciting cities. Start planning your Polish adventure today. Learn more about the history, culture, and food. Let Poland inspire you to explore the world with open arms and a desire to discover new things. Poland is waiting to share its treasures with you.